Hi there, welcome to the Bala's Creation. Today I'm here with one beginner tutorial about how to make a shape house. Drawing and coloring a shape house can be a fun and rewarding activity for beginners. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Here I need one paper, pencil, eraser, marker and one scale. Here I took one HB pencil to draw a shape house to the scale. At the first step, draw the basic shape of the house. Begin by drawing a simple outline of the house for a beginner. Start with a basic rectangular shape for the main body of the house. Now, a triangle shape for the roof. Keep it simple at this stage. The second step is add doors and windows. Now add a door and two windows to the house. For the door, draw a rectangle. And for the windows, now you can see I draw a small squares. On the other side, I try to draw a circle shape of the house. Now I try to draw a small rectangular on top of the roof for the chimney. Now comes the fun part, coloring your house. Choose the colors you would like to use for the different elements of the house. Typically, houses have a colored body and different color of the roof and various color for door and windows. Once you have colored your house, take a step back and see if any areas need a little extra details or shading. You can add shading to give the house more dimension. For coloring windows, here I am using red and blue color because these two color is too bright and it make the house so lightful. Make sure that your outlining will be nice. Here for door, I using another brown color that is quite deep brown. For chimney, here I am using two colors, one is black for top and the whole body here I am using the bright brown color. Drawing and coloring are all about expressing yourself and enjoying the process. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and be creative. Don't worry too much about perfection. sheet marker. This step is entirely optional, and you can skip it if you prefer more sketch-like look. Finally, add a personal touch and show that you created it. That's all for today. If you like my video, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.